Zoom. The view is directed precisely to the insertion point of the selected element, a simple yet highly useful tool for quick navigation in large models. Manual zooming and tedious searching in the project are eliminated. One click brings the view exactly where it is needed, ideal when working with complex geometry. Now let us see how it works in practice. To continue, first select an element. Otherwise, the program will remind you with the message currently visible on the screen. With the element selected, we can launch the Zoom tool. One click and we are exactly where we need to be. The Zoom tool will locate any element, including those in a 3D view.